This is a speedy core flow that's going to wake your entire body, build strength, and energize you for the day ahead. Let's get right into it, coming into a downward facing dog. Get some movement in this down dog. You might be feeling quite stiff first thing in the morning. Hamstrings are always quite tight. So find any movement, knees can be bent. Maybe you find a couple twists side to side. And then come into stillness. We'll find a little kriya from here. So inhale, you'll come forward into bear stance, hovering knees. Exhale, shoot forward into plank. Inhale in your plank. And then exhale, take it back to down dog. And we're just going to repeat this 10 times. So inhale, hover, knees, bear. Exhale, shoot forward to plank. Inhale, stay in your plank. Exhale, downward dog. You've got it. Let's keep going. Inhale, bear stance. Press your mat away, dome through the upper back. Plank. Inhale in your plank. And then exhale, down dog. Inhale, bear. Hover those knees. Exhale, plank. Inhale. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, let's find some refinement, shoulders over wrists. Coming into your plank. Exhale, downward dog, keep on going. A little bit monotonous, but this is a great way to activate and work into those core muscles. Also getting a bit of a workout into the shoulders as well, so we're building strength not only in the core, but in the whole upper body. So just keep going to the rhythm of your breath. Inhale, bear. Exhale, plank. Inhale, plank. Exhale, down dog. We've got one more full round. And give me one more half round. So come forward into your bear. Shoot forward into your plank and hold your plank this time. Tilt your hip bones up towards your chest. Press your mat away. And we'll find some crossing mountain climbers from here. So right knee to left elbow. Left knee, right elbow. And repeat. Really find that sense of doming through the upper back. Core is nice and strong. Okay, we've got 2 more rounds of this. See if you can make contact knee to elbow. Just nice gentle tap. And then one last round. Hold your plank. Shift forward. Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Take a breath. Find baby steps up towards the top of your mat, coming into ragdoll. Allow your spine to decompress, to sway a little bit side to side, catching your breath. On your next breath in, lift up halfway and extend your arms back. Notice how that engages your core and your back muscles. Exhale, lower it into your forward fold. Inhale, Urdhva Hastasana, reach up to the sky. And exhale, Tadasana. All right, I'm just turning to face you so you can see what I'm doing. We're going to take some side bends. So just take a big side bend over to the right, catching hold of left wrist. Rotate your chest up towards the sky and engage your core. Notice how this engages the obliques as we hold this movement. Let's take that to the other side. Come back to center and we'll repeat again, this time finding a balance. So take your weight into your right leg, lift up your left, hover it. Core is strong. Find your balance. And then back to center, other side. And then release. Stay nice. Turn to face the front of your mat, but you're standing about the center of your mat. Lift up onto your tiptoes, reach your arms forward, palms face down. Find your balance again. And then from here, begin to slowly squat all the way down into a toe stretch. Or waking up those little feeties. Sorry, I know this is a horrible stretch, but it's so good for the feet. Holding here. And then lower onto your butt, coming into a boat pose. Keep that chest lifted. Knees can be bent, or if you want to go hardcore, extend your legs up. We've got a fun little challenge here. You're going to roll back and then lift up into a chair pose. So feel free to watch me for the first time. And then when you're ready, coming into it. So it's testing our core strength, our mobility. It's quite a challenge, this one, getting up into your chair pose. Let's keep going. And we're doing this 10 times. So rock and roll, lift up into your chair. You may find you need to kind of build up a bit of momentum here to help you get up. If you can't make it, just laugh at yourself. It's just a bit of fun. If you need to use your hands to get you up off your butt into your chair, go for it. But see if you can do it no hands. You've got 2 more of these rock and roll to chairs. And then hold in your chair next time you're there. Bring your hands to prayer, coming into a chair twist. Twist to the right, taking your left elbow to the outside of the left knee. Become aware of if your left knee is creeping forward. Find neutrality in your hips. Return to center, twist left. Sink your hips a little bit lower. I know this is hard. Nobody's favorite pose is a chair prayer twist. But you've got this. Keep breathing. Back through center, extend your arms. And then forward fold. Take your feet wider than hips width. Toes point out, heels point in. Find a little sway side to side. And then squat down into Malasana. Bring your hands to prayer. Spine is nice and long here. All right, drop down onto your butt and lower onto your back. Hug your knees into chest for a moment. And then extend your legs up into a table so shins parallel to the floor. Take your arms out wide. Final core exercise, dropping knees controlled from side to side. So lowering knees over to the left, not quite down to the floor. Back up through center, over to the right, back up to center. Nice and controlled. Really draw your belly button back towards your spine. Using the strength of your core to complete this movement. We got 2 more rounds of this. Almost done. When you finish your last round, hug your knees to chest. Find a little rock side to side. That's it. We're pretty much done now. Rock on up, coming into a cross-legged seat. And we'll close with some intentional breaths. Sit up nice and tall. Take a deep breath in. Circle your arms up to the sky. Hands to prayer. Exhale, hands through heart center. Inhale, deep breath in. Hands to chest. I hope this class has left you feeling energized. Don't forget to like and subscribe.